Vlogmas day 13, and can you guess where I'm at right now? Yeah, right now. I'm getting my drinks, and I'm gonna go on to the wifey. I'm gonna surprise her. I just dropped her at work to have a special event today with an international makeup artist. So she's really nervous. So I'm gonna bring a drink for her before I leave to work. Surprise her.
We just found out that we have the juniper topping, okay? Well,
I don't know what type of makeup artist he is. He does one eye and leave your face like that. Let him do that to me so you can see the scandal that I will make here in Macy's. I'm not a freaking makeup artist. International makeup artist? Oh, please. That wifey, this is her drink. I'm hiding because I don't want to know her bosses to see me. This is there.
A las 7:30.
Guys, look at this makeup. I didn't left her like that. Look at the makeup that she did. How was your event today? How was your event today? Good?
Did the
You
number.
guys sell a lot?
Yes, we did 14 grand.
14 grand? Nice. Oh my God, very nice. All right, sweetie, can we go? And we're talking.
Danny's Cinderella is gone. That's it.
Look, we're home.
Makita.
Home. Stupid.
I'm done.
You done?
Yeah. Look. I'm so tired, you two, I swear. That bed, it was amazing.
We didn't vlog today. I only had probably 3-minute vlogs. So anyway, she have an event today with a makeup artist. You're gonna see the makeup artist because I took a clip of it, like I said. I don't know what type of makeup artist is that.
Hey, I love him. He's Colombian, he's good, and he's enthusiastic. Customer like him. You know, you like to be one-on-one with a person to motivate you when you're doing your makeup and give you nice little fancy tricks and tell you what color, is best for you, what color fits you, how you can do your brows. I like him. As a matter of fact, for all the amazing events that I done with different companies, he's one of the best.
I like it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't need to like him. Okay? And it's time to remove all this makeup.
It's time to remove all your makeup.
That's it. Look, it's time to go.
How many hours do you work today? 10?
9.
9? She's tired. We're tired today.
I have to work tomorrow 2 stores.
Yes.
Sunday I'm supposed to do 2 stores. I'm going to do 1. I'm too tired.
Maybe 1.
I'm going to do 1.
Maybe.
No, I have to go 30.
Maybe once. Because if I said no, you're not going.
Listen to this. Can you laugh with me?
Laugh for home.
Honey, I'm too tired for this. Okay? My wig is itching. My damn hair is itching. Everything's itching me. Look at my pantyhose. My pantyhose look is dripping. I'm done. I'm telling you. So you better leave the heck alone. Okay? Bye, YouTube. Love you. Bye. Are you for real, girlfriend? I'm not right now. Leave me alone. Let me remove this makeup out of my face. Okay?
Okay.
Bye. But my hair's pretty, right?
Who said that? Bye, YouTube. Tomorrow is another date. Tomorrow. Oh my God. Look, she's tired, but look at her dancing. Look.
I will put it. Lira. But they didn't record it.
Why?
The big boss. She said, come on. Lira, come. Let's dance. They love when I dance.
Why did they didn't record it?
Para de Lira. Para de Lira. That's it.
She's crazy. Vlogmas day 13 is over. It's over. We're over. I'm so tired. But anyway, you two. At least I brought you a little click for today. Tomorrow you're gonna clean with me. What do you want to say to YouTube?
Subscribe
What else?
and like the videos.
Like, comment, subscribe to this video, and share. Right? You good?
Yeah.
You sure? What you were doing?
Watching YouTube.
What you were watching on YouTube?
Fortnite.
That's all she watched. Fortnite. Crazy. Anyway, until tomorrow. Bye, YouTube.